That bus is where our journey begins. They've got two routes going. They've got one that's going clockwise and the other that's going counterclockwise. Super easy. Great job, Boat Show. You guys make transportation very easy. Welcome to part 3 of the Boat Show 2018 vlog. I'm Chance BC. I'm the Assistant Marketing Director at the Gig Harbor Marina and Boatyard. And let's take a bus ride over to South Lake Union. To South Lake Union, and we're walking along, and if anybody ever compares this to camping, just smack them. This is not camping. This is how you live. So yeah, whoever wants to bring this to the marina, I'll help you get it there. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You know, South Lake Union, great place, a lot more protected by the wind than Bell Harbor. Yeah. Definitely worth checking out. Sundance, you guys are killing it. Good job. So the cool thing about this boat is not only is it awesome, and from Gig Harbor, even more awesome, but they actually use this boat. Represent Gig Harbor. Woo! Yeah, this is not camping. It might be my favorite, but it's also like playing a home field advantage. Come on down, check out some boats. Sun's coming out. It's a great time. Totally worth your while. What a ride.
Chowder Chomp. You get to come and try each one and then vote for the one that you like the best. And the boat show is donating $2,500 in the winner's name to Salmon for Soldiers, where our mission is fishing, and we get veterans out on the water to help them heal after they come back from service.
We've got an East Coast style, thick, heavy duty, heavy on clam chowder. Thick roux, So a lot of dairy. Don't count your calories on this one.
All right, let's try this. The Seattle Fish Company. Do I need to try the rest of them? This is so good. I hate clam chowder. This is great. This review right here. Let's see if it holds true. What are these trophies? You have a lot of them.
Yes, these are our competitions we do. We have some for the Boatyard, Connecticut.
And then you guys are serving them in bread bowls today?
Yes.
Is that cheating?
No.
It's not cheating?
It is not.
You get the spoon too? I don't know. I'm gonna ask.
Thank you.
You guys are more than good.
Just dripping, cruising. All right, we're trying the Pike Place chowder in the bread bowl. Let's see how good this really is. What is in this? I don't even know what I'm looking for, but this is just so good. Oh my gosh. Ah, they put some thick bacon in there. Nice touch, Pike Place. Nice touch. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Doc's Marina and Grill. Tell me a little bit about this chowder.
So this is our house chowder. It's a gluten-free chowder. We started out with the normal characters: bacon, potatoes, carrots, celery, onions, that whole jazz. Glazed with some wine, some clam juice, some clams. Bring it up. The
Alrighty.
cream.
Well, how do you guys think you'll do?
I hope we'll win. You know, we're getting good responses, so we'll see. I don't know. We're going against somebody who wins every year, so we'll find out. We're just happy to be here.
Is that Pike Place?
Yeah.
Okay. I understand why, because they cheat with the Red Bull.
Exactly. That's what we say. You know, how
Totally
can you
cheating.
lose when you have a Red Bull? Exactly.
That's totally cheating.
You know? But hey, we try our best. It's our first year. We're just happy to be here.
And now we're trying the Doc's Marina and Grill gluten-free. It's definitely not as thick as the other ones, but like that's not a bad thing. That's actually kind of good. Oh yeah, you did good. Good job, Doc's. This has been the best boat show ever. I'm voting you guys.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It's
You
awesome.
guys did a really good job.
Thank you so
Great
much.
stuff.
Awesome.
We have a food truck that serves up some pretty good chowder too. Will we be able to sneak in next year?
Oh, send me an email. We would love to have you.
Oh man, that was so good. Doc's, great job. Normally not a fan of gluten-free stuff. I love my gluten. But, oh, that was so good. We are coming for you next year. The trolley at the Boatyard, represent. But also, like, Doc's, really, really good. Really good. Well, that about wraps things up for me at South Lake Union. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to like us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. This was probably my favorite part of the whole boat show, the South Lake Union part. Not just because of the amazing clam chowder, so many awesome boats, like the Genoes over there, but also just like the sense of community within the tent. I think I ran into about 7 different people that I knew, and I'm not even like the most seasoned sailor, so you know, come on out, make some friends. That does it for me this year. Boat Show 2018. Great event. Loved every second of it. Make sure you check it out while you still can. Ends February 3rd. And definitely make sure you check out South Lake Union. Great stuff. Thanks for having us, Seattle Boat Show. It's been a real treat. See you guys next year.